Excuse me, I need some help please. I feel a bit lost.
Hello? Of course, I can help you. What do you need today?
Thank you. This is my first time at this big station. Where can I find the ticket office?
No problem. The ticket office is straight ahead. Just follow the green signs that say tickets.
Green signs for tickets? Okay, I see some over there. How about the toilets?
Restrooms are near platform 2. Look for the blue sign with the toilet symbol on your left.
That's good to know. My train leaves in 1 hour. Where should I wait?
First, find your platform number on the big departure board. Then follow the signs to that platform.
I found my train on the board. It's platform 5. Is there a waiting area there?
Yes, every platform has seats. Platform 5 also has a small cafe if you want coffee while waiting.
Perfect. And how much time before departure should I go to the platform?
Usually 10 minutes is good. But check your ticket, sometimes it says, be ready earlier.
Thank you so much. You helped me a lot. Now I feel better about this station.
You're very welcome. Have a safe and pleasant journey on your train today.
Excuse me, I need to buy a train ticket.
Hello. Where would you like to go today?
I want to go to Lakeside City. How much is a one-way ticket?
That costs €15. When do you plan to travel?
I would like to leave this afternoon. What time is the next train?
The next departure is at 3:15 p.m. Would you like a ticket for that train?
Yes, please. One ticket for the 3:15 train to Lakeside City.
Certainly. That will be €15. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with cash. Here is €20.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and €5 change. Have a good trip.
Thank you very much. Could you tell me which platform it leaves from?
Your train departs from platform 7. It is just over there to the left.
Great. And where are the restrooms, please?
The restrooms are near platform 3. You will see signs for them.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Excuse me, I need some help with the train schedule.
Of course. What do you need to know? The departure board shows all train times.
Thank you. I see many numbers here. What does platform 3 mean?
Platform 3 is where the train stops. You wait there to board. Look for your train number.
Okay. My train is to Brighton. How do I find it here?
See this column? It says destination. Find Brighton in that list.
Ah, I see it. But, what does delayed mean? Is there a problem?
Yes, delayed means the train is late. It will come, but not at the scheduled time.
Oh no. How long is the delay? I need to arrive on time.
Don't worry. The board says 15 minutes. Your train leaves at 10:45 now, not 10:30.
I understand. Thank you so much. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome. Always check the board for updates. Have a safe trip.
Excuse me, I need help please. I can't find my train.
Of course, happy to help. Do you have your ticket? Let me see which train you're looking for.
Yes, here is my ticket. It says train number 224 to Brighton.
Okay, train 224 to Brighton. Let me check the departure board. It leaves from platform 7.
Platform 7? That's good. But where is platform 7 from here?
It's very easy. Go straight ahead to the end of this hall. Then turn left. You will see signs for platforms 5 to 8.
Straight ahead, turn left at the end? And then look for signs?
Exactly. Follow the signs. Platform 7 will be on your right side. It's about a 2-minute walk.
Thank you so much. What time does the train leave? My ticket says 11:15.
Yes, departure is at 11:15. It is now 10:50, so you have plenty of time. The train might arrive at platform 7 around 11:05.
Okay, perfect. I will go to platform 7 now. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a safe trip to Brighton. Enjoy your journey.
Excuse me, I need help finding my train car.
Of course. Can you show me your ticket, please?
Yes, here it is. I see the number 5 here. Is that the carriage?
Exactly. This big number 5 means carriage 5. See the signs above each door?
Oh, I see them now. Red numbers on yellow signs. Mine is car 5.
Perfect. Now look at your seat, 15B. That's your seat inside car 5.
Is 15B an aisle seat or window seat? I like the window.
Letter B is usually an aisle seat. But see the seat map near the door? It shows all seats.
Thank you. And where do I find car 5? Left or right from here?
Walk that way about 100 meters. Look for the big 5 sign before you board. Have a great trip.
You've been so helpful. Now I understand carriage and seat numbers. Thank you. Excuse me, I'm waiting for train 45 to London. Is it delayed? The board says delayed but no time.
Yes, train 45 is delayed by about 30 minutes due to signaling problems. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Oh, I see. Where can I find updates? I don't want to miss the announcement.
The information boards will update automatically. You can also check our station app for live updates.
Thank you. Could you tell me which platform it will leave from when it arrives?
It should still leave from platform 7, but we'll make an announcement if that changes. Please listen for train 45 to London.
Okay, got it. Are there any places to sit nearby while I wait?
Yes, there are benches just over there near the coffee kiosk. Would you like directions?
No, that's fine, I see them now. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything else. The delay shouldn't be longer than 30 minutes.
That's good to know. I'll keep an eye on the board and listen for announcements. Have a nice day.
You too. Safe travels when your train arrives.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the restrooms. Where can I find them?
The restrooms are near platform 4. Just go straight and turn left.
Thank you. And is there a coffee shop in this station?
Yes, there is one next to platform 2. It has good coffee and snacks.
Perfect. I also need to find a place to buy some water.
You can buy water at the coffee shop or at the small shop near the entrance.
That's great, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time at the station.
Oh dear, this is very crowded. My bags are too heavy.
Excuse me, miss. Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. It's difficult to move in this crowd.
No problem. Let me take one suitcase for you.
Thank you so much. Where can we walk safely?
Follow me. We'll use the less busy path near the wall.
That sounds good. I was worried about bumping into people.
Just stay close to me. Are you going to platform 5?
Yes. How did you know? That's exactly where I need to go.
Most people with big luggage go there for the express train. Almost there now.
You're very kind. What's the best way to handle luggage in busy stations?
Always use luggage with wheels. And keep small bags in front of you.
I'll remember that. Should I move quickly or slowly in crowds?
Walk at a steady pace. Quick changes surprise people and cause bumps.
That makes sense. Thank you for all your help today. Excuse me, can you help me please? I think I lost my bag.
Of course. What does your bag look like? Can you describe it for me?
It's a blue backpack. It has 2 pockets and a small red tag on the side.
Okay, I understand. When did you last see it? Do you remember?
Yes, I had it when I bought my ticket. Then I sat on a bench over there.
Don't worry. I will call the lost and found office now. Please wait here.
Thank you so much. I feel so nervous without my bag.
I found your bag. Someone brought it to the office 5 minutes ago.
Really? That's wonderful news. Where is the office? Can I go now?
Yes, follow me please. It's just down the hall on the left. I will take you there.
Excuse me, I need help. Can you please tell me where to go?
Of course. Where are you trying to get to? Do you have your ticket?
Yes, I have my ticket here. I need to go to Maple City. This is my first time transferring trains.
No problem at all. Let me see your ticket. Ah, you need platform 7 for the Maple City train. It leaves in 20 minutes.
Platform 7? How do I get there from here? This station is very big.
It's easy. Follow the blue signs for platforms 5 to 8. Go straight down this hall, then turn left after the coffee shop.
Blue signs, straight then left after coffee shop. Okay, I think I understand. Is it far?
Not too far. About a 5-minute walk. There's an elevator if you have heavy bags. See those arrows on the floor? They point to the platforms.
Thank you. What if I get lost? Should I ask someone else?
Yes, any staff member can help. Or look for the information desk near platform 3. But you'll be fine. Do you see the big number 7 above the platform entrance?
I see it now. Thank you so much for your help. You made this easy for me.
You're very welcome. Have a safe trip to Maple City. The train leaves at 11:30, so don't wait too long.
Look at that big board up there. That's the departure board. It shows all train times.
Oh, I see it now. So the numbers on the left are the train times?
Yes, exactly. For example, this line says 10:15 a.m. That's when the train leaves.
And what about the words after the time? Like Platform 3 or London?
Good question. Platform 3 tells us where to wait for that train. London is the destination.
What if I don't see my train? Sometimes it says delayed with a clock symbol.
Right. The clock means the train is late. We should always check for delays.
I also see yellow signs with exclamation marks. What are those?
Those are safety notices. They remind us to stay behind the yellow line for safety.
Oh, like this one that says mind the gap near the platform edge? I understand now.
Perfect. And remember the blue signs too, they show exits, toilets, or information desks.
Thanks for explaining. Now I feel more confident reading station signs.
You're welcome. Let's check the board again for our train details. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm a bit lost.
Of course. This is the main hall. Where do you need to go?
I need to find the train to Brighton. Which platform does it leave from?
Platform 7, but please check the departure board. Sometimes it changes.
Thank you. How often do the trains go to Brighton?
Every 30 minutes. The next one leaves in 20 minutes.
Great. Where can I buy a ticket?
See those yellow machines? Or the ticket office over there.
And where are the restrooms, please?
Down the corridor on your left, near the cafe.
You've been so helpful. One last thing, is there free Wi-Fi here?
Yes. Connect to station-free Wi-Fi. No password needed.
Perfect. Now I feel ready. Thank you again.
Safe travels. Remember, always check the boards for updates.
I will. Goodbye.
Enjoy your trip to Brighton.